Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wurkkos. Now this is their TS70. Now I was sent this by them directly. It comes in this box. Nothing on the outside except that sticker. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Now this is a large light. Nice packaging. And we've got the user manual printout here. Now this is a brand new model of theirs. And we have the specs here on the front. There's more information on the back on how to use it. This is a complete kit. Comes with a charger and the batteries. As you can see there, got 5,500 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, we're going to move along. This here is the USB charger, and you can charge the batteries that come with it, a bladed style. Simple red light when charging, green light when finished. Nothing really to that. We have two battery sleeves. That'll help you run 18 650s if you want. And we do have a shoulder strap, as this light will get heavy if you're carrying it for long periods of time. Nice quality on the material. Quick release hooks. And we'll get the, now you've got the rings to go on the light. That way you can hook up the shoulder strap, O-rings, and an extra button pressure switch. And that's everything. So let's take the light out. And now we'll get the box out of the way here. And we'll bring the light out. Take a look at that. There it is. This is a large light. Done quite a few of these in the past. Really like the pineapple knurling on there. Looks great. I kind of like this better than the knurling. Got the side switch here. A lot of heat sinking on here. Some dust here from the foam. Now the button here does stick out past the body. You can see, does have a tail clicky. Yeah, feels good. It would definitely get heavy after a while. The batteries are already inside. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Steel bezel on here. Looks really nice. The machining and finish on this is very nice. done a lot of lights that are similar to this type of setup with two 26-650s, like the Thorfire and Sulfurn, including some other long barrel lights, and really don't lose the memory of having them when I was a lot younger and using them exclusively. But I still have that connection with me that flashlight should always be a long barrel light. Feels great, actually. Alright, well, let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. And a lot of screwing there, as you can see there. Spring is heavy duty. And there is grease on the threads. Take both batteries out here. And as you can see, 26-650, this is a 5000 milliamp. This is a protected cell. This is a 20 amp cell. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take the barrel off the head so you guys can see. Well greased threads there as well. Spring on the head. It looks like a dual spring there as well. Alright, let's put it back together and go over the UI here. I'll show you the LED next before going through the UI. Now that's a deep textured reflector. Now this is running the Cree XHP 70.2 LED. Good quality control on this. Alright, so now we're going to activate the light by hitting the tail clicky. And as you can see, the side switch glows green, letting you know you've got good battery power. That will come on red once you start getting low on battery power. We're going to go through those light outputs just like that. Yeah, has a lot of light output on that. That's a little bit too much there. I'm going to go back down to there. And we'll go down. Yeah, we'll go up one more. Show you the beam. Huge hot spot there, as you can see. A lot of bleeding into the corona on the outer edge of it. But the spill area is really nice and wide. Good cutoff, as you can see. And we'll go through those light outputs one more time. Now you can press and hold to turn that off, and you can also press and hold to turn that on to get you the lowest light output that this can put out. I think is 21 lumens. So now the lowest light level, you can simply click on the side switch. It'll turn it off. that's just hidden. And now you can click the button again, it'll go back to the regular UI. Now if you want to get the special mode, you're going to double click, and to get that, that is extremely bright, and it's a variable speed on the strobe, but it's at the full light output, so that's incredibly bright. Click that button one time, we'll go back down to the last light output that you had on. This does have memory mode. If you turn it off on this level, turn it back on. You can also turn it off on the side switch, press and hold, turn it back on. So either way you could do that, and then we're back to the regular UI. Press and hold puts it on standby. If you don't want that, you can simply turn off the light. That breaks the connection. Good for storage, helps it last longer between emergencies. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wurkkos. Now this is a big light. We're going to go ahead and start off on the lowest light output. And you see it's making 35 feet from where I'm standing. That's about 12 feet to that corner of that fence. So you got about, probably about 30, 40 feet. And it starts dropping off pretty fast. Alright, I'll get started here. Let's go on the next level. Turn it off, turn it back on. That's making it across the park here on this lowest setting. So that's impressive. A lot of bugs out tonight. Tree of Life is starting to turn green again. Looks great. We'll go up to the next level here. Let's see how it does. Nice even spacing. That tree there is 138 feet from where I'm standing. The tree behind it is 238 feet. Try not to get attacked by moss here. Easily across the park now. 65 feet to this tree. Tree line, fence line. And we're going to go back over to the Tree of Life, making those trees in the distance. Look at that. Incredible. Making the school, even with their lights on. And just faintly making the first palm tree, not too much the back one there. We're going to go to the next level, see how it does. Look at that spill. I'm going to check these palm trees out now. Oh yeah, that one, first one's good. Now you see the second one a little bit better. Huge amount of light coming out of this thing. And it is cold out here. The wind is cold, but it's been real warm during the day. Look at those trees way out in the distance past the baseball field. All my distances are listed in my Facebook group, and I also did a video here on my channel. If you guys have any questions or doubts, you can check it out. Tree line, fence line. Alright, let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Little beam profile here. Oh wow. Look at it light up the hole. Hold it up above here. Look at that. Easily see the parks, playgrounds, both of them. Look at that tree way out there. Look at that. Now hopefully these 4K help you get a better idea how the lights perform. Of course they're not as good as in person, but one day they will be. Technology there. Look at that. Both palm trees now. Incredible. Do a before and after here. Look at that. All right. We're going to end it here on the Tree of Life. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Excellent performance. Really a nice solid build quality on this light. That's come to what I expect from Wurkkos. I've been doing a lot of their lights for them over the last year and a half, 2 years. So they were brand new at that time. They got a hold of me via email. They wanted me to test and review one of their lights, and it's been going that way ever since. So I'm really happy that I was able to get a sample of this. Definitely does not fail to impress. Remember, this is a complete kit. It comes with the charger, comes with the batteries, comes with the strap. Now if you're going to be carrying this for long periods of time, you definitely want to use the strap. It will get heavy. You want to take a little break. Just put the ring here on the light and on the tail cap. Once you put the rings there, you can easily quickly release and take off the strap if and when you need it, or when you don't. So performance on the beam, just a huge combination beam. The hotspot is really large, so that is to be expected for this type of light. Has really nice throwing range on it. I was quite impressed with it. As far as the light output, 5,500 lumens is an extreme amount of light. This head got really warm, but it really didn't get super hot. And if it does, your hands are down here. It's going to take a long time for the heat to get to the barrel of the light. Now if you're using it in cooler weather, you might not even have that problem at all. This is really an amazing kit. Comes with the charger, the batteries, everything. So you're ready to go right out of the box once you charge the batteries. That is really a big plus. Now I want to thank Wurkkos for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, I'll leave a link down in the description to their Amazon store. Now remember, this is very affordable. I was very surprised at the price that they have these on. Definitely worth much more than what they're charging you for it, so get in on this while you can. I think it's going to be really popular for them. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video of this Wurkkos TS70. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Wurkkos flashlight kits to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.